I think it's important to know that this is an established technology. It's no more that new, and it has been adapted from chemical industry and other industries. So it's not really something to consider high risk with. The second part I want to highlight is that it's a very efficient tool to develop products from early stage to product transfer and to the commercial scale, because you have basically no product transfer or technology transfer in between. You do all on the same equipment basically. So it's highly efficient. For the commercial scale, it can run 24/5 and in some cases 24/7. So this is also something which can be proven today. And last but not least, it's also appraised by the regulatory agencies, foremost FDA, but also other agencies around the world are more and more supporting that. With this technology, you can produce products safer, more affordable, and also the supply chain resilience you can improve with this technology. So it's an investment which benefits financially, but also supporting your sustainability targets, to just name another important factor. I think you see that the big pharma, the top 10 at least, have already established their continuous manufacturing platforms. And you can see that first products are coming out of this on their pipelines. So it's important for the CDMOs to be prepared to support their clients. And this is not only for the commercial scale, also for the development scale, because some of these innovators, they have not necessarily commercial scale equipment even. So they need CDMOs to manufacture their new drug entities and to deliver them as fast, as safe, and as affordable as possible to the market. So this is the role the CDMO are playing in this competitive arena. You're better part of the first movers rather than to swim behind. Very simple as that. I think you can't implement continuous manufacturing within a night shift. It can take, depending on the scope, it can take a few years until you are ready to deliver product. So I think this is the message I want to give to any CDMO out there. Get ready for that. The wave of new products is coming. In particular for global acting innovators, it's important, if they want to get the product on a global scale, they look for CDMOs in different regions. And of course, with such an important technology, these CDMOs also in all regions need to be prepared. So if you're a global acting CDMO, you have the chance to put this technology in these regions and to be ready to support the innovator. And this is, I think, an important message to the CDMOs as well. We see that for the innovators, small, medium cap or large pharma, time to market is essential. So they focus on that, getting, as mentioned, their new chemical entities, new drug entities as fast as possible to the market. This is their number one priority. For the generics, so it's operational excellence and how to get manufacturing costs lowered or under control, however, what is their current pain point. For the OTC and nutraceuticals, I want to put them together. We see that they are focusing on productivity. So they want to increase productivity on a given footprint. And as continuous manufacturing is all about process intensification, that's the way to deal. So there are three major needs. They can vary from company to company and case to case, but I think it's pretty much the three elements I've mentioned. If an innovator comes with a product, they want to get it, as mentioned, as fast as possible to the market. And some, for the global acting companies, even more on a global scale. So these CDMOs can build or should build the bridge for them. Because also for an innovator, it takes time in the case they want to ramp up their capacities to invest in further continuous equipment. So it's a smart choice for a CDMO to be in this sweet spot at the moment, to say, I can do that and I can support you from clinical supply to product transfer and even on a global scale to different regions. It's an entrepreneurial decision, of course, I know. You can develop many business cases and you can dive into hours and numbers, but it's finally an entrepreneurial decision. With implementing continuous manufacturing, it's not just another technology, it's a paradigm shift how you develop a product and how you manufacture it. So this goes together. It was recently stated on a conference that if someone going continuous means they need to think continuous from the product development. So if it's a C-level decision, C-level has to take on all stakeholders in the company for this venture. Quality assurance team, I've mentioned development already, to the commercial, to the supply chain. So everyone needs to be trained, educated about this. So this is, I think, a first important element of consultation and consulting companies to be a coach for them on this process. It's a business strategy decision, but it can go also down to the filing of products. You need to support companies on this way as well, because product filing and dealing with regulatories is also something where a consulting firm can support. And Pharmatech and USP is very well positioned to deliver the whole wingspan of this. I mentioned already process intensification. So as a process engineer, process intensification means also that you can produce a product on a smaller footprint. So it's smaller equipment, less product touching surface, means less cleaning water, less cleaning, but the whole footprint of an equipment is smaller, and so far the CO2 footprint from your GMP space. And I think this is a part of the equation which I also want to point out. It's not just about the financial benefits. It is also an argument for the sustainability targets of your company. If this is small molecules, large molecules, chemicals, biologics, it covers all this whole area, because PCM, continuous manufacturing, is something for all products from the drug substance to the drug product side.